Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to change a language on Township. To change your language setting on Township game, first of all, open up the Township application on your device and make sure that you are in this screen. After your game starts, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu button. Now click on the gear button in the pop-up. Inside the settings menu, go to the bottom right and tap on the glove icon. Now from the list of available languages, select the language you want to change to and click on OK. After you do that, your game will restart with the chosen language. And that is how you can easily change your language setting on Township. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.